Yeah. All right. Wow, this young man is or has gone viral after his feature in the Star. With me now is mechanic. It's Naquanne,
Naquanne.
Naquanne Harrison. Um, and as you could see, Naquanne, as a mechanic, doesn't have any hands. It was funny just now. Sheffield was teasing me, and he says, "How do you feel? You can't change your tire." And I have two hands. He was teasing me because I can't. Morning, my friend.
Morning, Mr. Bill.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. Come
That-
in never, please. You, you were born without hands.
Yes, I was born like this.
How old were you when you realized I'm a little different? How old were you in
At about the age of 6, when I started primary school.
which primary school you went to?
I went to Oak Valley Experimental Primary School.
Which is up by
You,
UA there.
UA.
You got teased or anything? But or I suspect the youngsters who went to the school were disabled, for want of a better word.
Basically, yes.
Yeah. So
Never been teased at primary school, never. I really accept the challenges, but never been teased.
when you say accept the challenges, how difficult was it for you as a younger person?
Well, growing up in primary school, it was a task. Doing works like writing, a lot of things like socializing, a lot of people. I thought I address myself to those things.
Yeah. Do you know why you were born without hands?
No, I don't know, and I really don't want to find out. Basically, I accept who I am and who I miss.
You've never asked?
Never ask. I love my mommy, definitely.
Yeah.
Saya St. Francis. Blessings.
What about your siblings?
Well, everyone is okay in the term of normal.
Yeah.
It's just basically, out of 4 of us, it's me alone born like this. And everybody is equal to every standard
Yeah.
of that one roof.
Where do you fall with your siblings? You're the first, the
I'm
second,
the second of 4.
second or fourth? And you have kids?
I have 2 kids. I have a girl and a boy.
How old?
One is 6 and one is 4 months.
I know the 4-month one couldn't ask you any questions. Just said the 6-year-old ever asked you about?
No, you never asked me it.
Never?
Never.
And you haven't said anything to him?
No, because basically you see the concept and he's really accept me for who I am.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Being a mechanic now, where did that come from? How did that start?
Well, the thing is that growing up in high school, I used to do all technical subjects. I love drawing. I was thinking about architect at the time. But getting involved in high school with the mechanical source, I kind of get for love vehicle. I did have a friend of mine on my road. Basically, I was there until I get to advance and go to another place at same vicinity, but up more. A fellow named Clevius Graham. Very good man. He taught me a lot, definitely. And from there, I just started to become my own self and do what I got to do to be a better person in life.
Yeah. Is there anything that you can't do in the engine because you don't have a hand?
No. I got help, yes, but there's nothing I tell myself I can't do.
There's nothing in that
Any
engine.
challenge I get it.
You work it out.
Definitely.
Some might take a little longer than...
Definitely some clients shock sometimes at the pace that I work. Sometimes I work fast and I'm really negligent. Sometimes I just tired and I just keep myself to myself.
And you work every day.
Every day, only on Sunday. Sundays are family days.
It's amazing because I'm watching you now, and you are moving very fast,
Very
and it
fast.
seems like you. I wouldn't even know where to start. Have you ever thought about this? I mean, you've already answered the question that this is who you are and you accept it. But have you ever just sat by yourself and wondered why you don't have any hands? Have you ever thought about
Honestly speaking, I don't see myself as a disabled person. No matter what is here, I look beyond that.
So you've never thought about
No.
it? And there's no one better than you?
Now, I gotta say that still, you know,
I know,
but
but there's nothing that you feel you can't do.
there's no challenge come across that I don't get out of the way.
You've never had anything that you said, boy, I can't manage because I don't have hands. Never. That has never happened to you.
I don't reach that bridge as it.
You said you love drawing. How difficult was that for you?
As I said, I never reach a task that I
And
don't
so that
accomplish.
wasn't difficult either.
Never.
That's incredible. It is absolutely amazing to meet you. Your story is absolutely amazing. I'm so impressed, and boy, you're such an inspiration.
Yes, I.
Whew. You mashed me up this morning.
Yes,
already.
I. Mr. Harrison, Delroy Harrison, give thanks, you know?
Come on. Good to meet you.
Blessings, man.
Yeah,
Respect.
Mechanic, Naquanne Harrison. More and smile when we come back. You'll probably see Daily alone. Soon come back.